Come to the church in the wildwood.
Ayan po, nag-import na po sila. Sinama na nila yung...
Wow!
Sinama na nila yung kanilang anak.
Sinama na yung Julius.
Ayan na po. Sige. Tingnan natin kung sino ang magsisecond.
Kasanot Solomon.
Yun na susunod. Para masaya. Ali, maglagay ka ng tag-apat na buwan o 5 upuan.
There is a lion in the sea.
There
In
is
the
a sea
great,
which
great
day by
rivers
day.
of hope. Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Magkakataluhan sa time.
Okay, I serve a risen Savior. He's in the world today.
Yeah.
Yun na. Wow, isa lang.
One word?
One word. Pressure, pressure. One word. One word only. Thus, a lion roars. Two words. When he has a prey. Ba? Ilan may? Dalawa. Ano ba?
Kailangan ba yung punctuation mark? Tama.
Sabi ko kanina, proper capitalization and punctuation marks. Punctuation marks.
Senior
Sige, pakita mo din. Babasahin mo. Okay, let's judge ourselves. Tingnan niyo po. Thus a lion roars in the forest when he has a prey. So, sabi dito positive, dito negative. Low yun. Tingnan natin dito sa isa. Saan na yun? Wala. Thus a lion roar in a forest when he has no prey. So, ano po yung gusto yung tanggapin? He has a prey or no prey? Okay, yung huli po. Yung point test. Yes!
Yay!
Congratulations! Dali na po sa mga adults natin. Lumaban sila hanggang sa huli. Yes!
Yes!
Dalawang pamilya lang.